Hello all, this is Raj Misa, your video marketing coach from coachtheworld.com. So let's talk about what is the most important being of creating an audio, video or audio visual resume. It includes basic details that one normally includes in a CV. So let's go step by step by recording an introduction video for about 1 to 2 minutes or probably less than 3 minutes. So if a candidate or if you're trying to showcase your communication skills in the video, alongside you can also work on any interesting factors that can help them, or probably the important things to stand out in the eyes of the recruiters. So one of the best ways is through audio video resume, creating one. So while job hunting, many candidates can also practice mock interviews to prepare themselves for upcoming interviews. They can schedule interviews through app these days, but also there are people out there who check the status to solve the basic issues faced by a job seeker. There are lots of apps in Play Store or Google Store. Check that out. So there are lots of struggles every job seeker can relate to when you work on attending interviews. So individually sending the CVs to every person out there, be it on Naukri, through Monster, is pretty much what everyone hates, because it's a painstaking process. It can be quite annoying, especially when you don't have all day long to apply to different openings displayed in different portals and websites. In fact, there could be beautiful ways where you can get the attention of the recruiters. You could seamlessly apply to jobs in more volume and save time also when you get the attention of the recruiters, when you grab their attention. So recruiters out there get bored of seeing too many resumes too. Some of them don't go through or check. So that's where the video resumes pop in. So if you're checking your CV for spelling errors, if you're trying to look impressive, if you're trying to shine through, even if you're looking for somebody who would give you an opportunity, probably be it paid internship or free internship, just going through a couple of pages, sometimes there are chances that you will be able to succeed. And trying to make a better impression, it could be different when you go through the traditional approach. So you need to work on publishing your videos, mainly the 3-minute video. Once you know what it takes to give your summary in less than 3 minutes, all these job portals you registered on, mainly if you have a landing page resume with the video in it, it could go awesome. So some people might be thinking about what might happen in an interview or what might happen through job applications. So all these unknown questions comes with experience, and there are people who could be from a good company, there are people who could be from different sets of interviews. So companies don't even get back to people. Going through the interview process, it could be disappointing and it can be understood by others. So many people fail in interviews because the biggest fear for any job seeker is when you finally get a chance to face the panel, because 90% of the interviews or probably whoever is giving the interview get messed up or fail in the traditional approach of a face-to-face interview. It's not the negotiation I'm talking about. Some people get nervous because of the assumptions which are there in their mind. They get the negative effect on the kind of mental preparation they had. So agility is very important during the interview process. That's why it's always advised that you prepare yourself, that make sure that you get a good night's sleep, make sure that you are on good nutrition, make sure that not only physically but mentally you are prepared well. And it can only happen through practice. And that's one of the reasons we highlight that in our book, the book which we published, mainly the book which I published with Dr. Samir K. Gunukula. How to Get Hired in Less Than 3 Minutes is a book which you must read. That gives you step-by-step approach about how to crack interviews. It's not just getting job, it's getting prepared to be well in life. Signing off, Raj Misa. Take care. Log on to coachtheworld.com. This is Raj Misa, your video marketing coach. Bye bye.